I'm going to show you guys how to make delicious lemon bars that are a healthier dessert for us who like that citrus and fresh flavor.
Grab your scale. It's a good little thing to just put it right under the bowl. About 115 grams of oats. I'm going to add 60 grams of blueberry protein because I think lemon and blueberry go really well together. It's a vegan protein. You could use any protein you like. So about 2 scoops. Okay, next we're gonna put a pinch of salt, about a teaspoon of lemon zest. I just zest 1 lemon. Not all of it, but just a good chunk of it. We're gonna have about 20 grams of lemon juice. Make sure you catch those seeds. 100 grams of milk. Now I'm just using regular dairy, but for all of you who can't do dairy or just don't want to, oat milk works, almond milk, any milk with extra protein in there, milk. And we could leave it to the side because we're gonna maybe need a little bit more. Look at that blue color because of the blueberry protein powder. Kind of like a thick consistency. Next up, just any kind of square tin. It's going to be easier to cut. Get a little piece of parchment. We're going to pop this in the oven for about at 400 or 200 cells for 15 minutes. 250 gram favorite reduced fat Greek yogurt. We're gonna have a little bit more lemon zest. Okay. About 20 grams of lemon juice. Next we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of sugar, which is a monk fruit sugar. Next we're gonna add in 2 eggs. Now whisk it all. This is gonna imitate our kind of a lemon custard on our bar of cornstarch. Okay, next up, we're just gonna get a pan nice and hot, and we're gonna toast up some almonds. Toasted almonds add a real nice flavor. All right, so it's been in there for about 15 minutes, and it's really created a firmer structure. Just pour our batter on top. Okay, we're gonna pour our lemon yogurt mixture on the top of this and pop it back in the oven. Toasted almonds on the top. Back in the oven it goes. I like to cut these into 6 bars. So the total is about 1,300 calories and with 106 grams of protein for the whole batch. We divide this into 6, it gives you about 215 calories per piece with roughly 17 grams of protein per bar.